An image and some words catch my eye as I'm surfing the web. Surfing the web. Does anyone actually say that anymore? Surfing the web? Well, I do, apparently. Sounds retro, doesn't it? Anyway, image of a tree next to a river, rolling skies, the sun coming up or going down, I can't tell. Of course, in reality, the sun doesn't come up or go down, but whatever. The words on the image read, "Nothing in nature lives for itself. Rivers don't drink their own water. Trees don't eat their own fruit. The sun doesn't shine for itself. A flower's fragrance is not for itself. Living for each other is the rule of nature." Okay, my views then. One might point out that selfishness is inherent in the biological world. Creatures kill and feed on one another. It's a battle for survival, is it not? Is it not? Maybe it would be more accurate to say, in the biological world, organisms are interdependent. It's all connected. The tree of life is a huge and fascinating one, to be sure. Oh yes. Rivers don't drink their own water. Yeah. A river is not a biological organism. Sure, it harbours and supports life. It's, it's part of a system. A river is a part of a system, but it's not alive in the same sense that a tree is alive. Trees don't eat their own fruit. Okay, yeah, a tree is a living organism. A tree needs to drink. It gets thirsty, right? And trees are important. We need them more than they need us. But you would never catch me hugging a tree. Why? Because it's silly. Yes. If a tree falls in the woods and crushes lots of insects and furry woodland critters, does the tree or the trees around it give a shit? The answer is no. The sun doesn't shine for itself. The sun is a star. It's not a conscious being, nor was it put there by a conscious intelligence just so our little planet could have warmth, could have life, could have energy. The sun doesn't shine for itself. It doesn't shine for you either, sunshine. It isn't heating, powering, energizing this planet because it cares. It doesn't care. You get skin cancer, sun doesn't care. A flower's fragrance is not for itself. Yeah, a life form does what it needs to survive, to make copies of itself. Living for each other is the rule of nature. I could just as easily say something like, eat or be eaten is the rule of nature. It occurs to me that many folks have a romantic or perhaps childlike view of nature, and I would suggest a narrow view of what constitutes nature. For me, nature is a machine. Nothing, as far as we know, lives outside of the machine. I don't believe in the supernatural or the unnatural. And I don't view humanity as being separate from, outside of, or above nature. Everything beautiful, everything uplifting, everything vile, everything disgusting, it's all natural. And life is only a tiny, tiny part of nature. Worth preserving, I would say, but I'm admittedly biased. And I admit that I don't speak for everyone. What is the purpose of this image and these words? A message to the human mind, I would suggest. Be selfless, live for others. Be aware of the connectedness of things. A good message, surely, but I would say the words reveal a childlike view of nature, a narrow view. Feel free to disagree, and have a nice day.